Today I'll show you Silencio, a project with over 1.2 million users that uses crowdsourced data to allow anyone to map noise pollution around the world and reward you for it. I'll go through what Silencio is, how to start with it, how to boost your rewards to earn the most, and what you need to avoid. And showing ways to earn is what I do, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. Alright, let's get started. I've been using Silencio for several years. I was even one of the first 1000 users. And today I think it's one of the best deepin projects out there that enables anyone to earn for free with their phone. And it's pretty simple why. Silencio is a network that collects noise pollution for any sound that anyone in the world can collect with a click on their phone. All the sound data is gathered to the Silencio Explorer, which anyone or companies can use for countless use cases. Such as if you're looking for a house or a hotel in an area, you can see how noisy the surrounding area is. You can even use their Google plugin for Airbnb, Google Maps and Booking.com to see that info also right away. So it's a crowdsourced data collection platform that incentivizes anyone providing the sound data. So when we are recording sound, we are rewarded for it with points and tokens. That I'll tell you later about how that works. Silencio started with only mapping noise pollution, but they have now also targeted something much bigger. They aim to become the world's ears for AI and robotics, providing AI data to teach robots, smart cars and AI systems how to listen to the world. And one part of that is their new Train AI feature that collects our words, languages, dialects into their language data collection that can also have unlimited use cases. So just not for translations, but also for training AI for robots how to listen, to understand all the words from all the world's different languages. So that is a very big deal. Getting started with Silencio is very simple and takes just a minute. First, download the app from the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you use an Android phone. During sign-up, you can enter the referral code Nordic to get a 200-point boost right away, which gives you a head start for your earnings. After that, you'll see your dashboard with the many features you can use. Silencio gives you several ways to use your phone and collect points to earn rewards. The main feature you can use is the active measurement, where you click on it and it starts recording, and you just walk around outside and record the sound around you. You get points for each of these hexes you record sound in, and exploring new undiscovered hexes will earn you even extra points. Another option is the venue check-in, where you visit places like shops or restaurants and record sound either inside or outside them for 15 seconds. If you do this daily, you can even build up a streak that increases your points with every day you are recording. The newest way to earn is Train AI, where you can record your voice for 30 seconds to help train AI for languages, dialects and such. You can talk freely or follow prompts, and it's a quick way to earn points. You can also perform noise complaints and snapshots, but these features does not give you any points right now. All of these activities are very easy to perform, and the more data you collect, the more you will earn. Here in the app you can also see these leaderboards and how you're positioning yourself amongst the crowd in the world. To keep your account safe and your earnings secure, there are a few things to watch out for. Make sure you're only walking when you are recording, because if you're going faster than 12 km per hour on a bike or in a car or anything, you might get your account banned. When you are recording, also make sure you are quiet, because you want to record the sound of the surrounding area around you. The app also have some fraud detection methods in place and some more coming, I believe, so you better not try and cheat somehow, because it will most likely end up with your account getting banned. When you're using the active measurement feature, make sure to record outside when you're walking around. When you're using the venue check-in, you can be either inside the shop or outside. If you got any questions about Silencio, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer you. Or you can go to nordiccrypto.io, where I gather all the answers to common questions, tips and tricks for all my deepin apps and crypto miners I earn with. So how do we earn with Silencio? Well, every month there's a raffle called the Deepin Luck Raffle, and these raffles are the main way we earn from. Each raffle have 100 million unique prizes, and everything happens within the app. To participate, you simply use the app, that's it. And for all the points you get, which are called coins, you get the same amount of raffle tickets. So each coin equals 1 ticket. So the more you record, the better your chances are in the monthly raffles for these prizes. So even though you are the #1 data collector during a month, you're not guaranteed anything. It only increases your chances in the raffle the more coins you have. The prizes are these stones that hold a set amount of SLC tokens. So each month we go into the raffle and see how many of these nuggets or emeralds we get that hold a certain amount of SCL tokens. And these tokens have a real dollar value. And if you're really lucky, you'll get one of the 10 diamonds that are given out each month, which is a lot of money. Here you can see what I earned during my Deep in Luck raffle. The SCL tokens we get, we can then decide if we want to sell them to dollars or if we want to stake them in the app. When we are staking, we increase our OG bonus, which makes us earn 20% extra tickets based on coins earned during the 12 past months. And you can boost this percentage even higher by staking your SCL token winnings. Staking options include 25% up to 100% of your monthly winnings for 3 to 18 months, adding bonuses from around 1% up to 30% to your OG score. For example, staking 100% of your monthly winnings for 18 months gives you a 30% boost that even stacks with the base 20%. These raffles happens at the end of each month with a snapshot taken of your tickets. You then have 21 days to claim your prizes starting the first 3 days of the next month. If you don't claim your tokens, they will be reallocated to the future community rewards pool. There is also no lockup period for your tokens, but there is a 30-day vesting period that applies after claiming, releasing your tokens to your account daily. To maximize your earnings, you want to focus on these top strategies. The fastest way to get points right now is to use the Train AI feature, where you record your voice for 30 seconds and earn 500 points for it. It's currently the best because you can do it anywhere, it goes fast, and it gives you a lot of points. The second best way is if you live in a city with lots of shops around and use the venue check-in feature, because we also get a lot of points from that and it takes just 15 seconds for each shop. At the end of each recording, we can even play this game of chance where we can multiply our points, which can even get up to a 100x. So it's definitely worth doing that. However, we need to watch an ad each time we want to play this. During the months when I know I'll be out recording a lot with Silencio, I actually buy the Silencio monthly subscription for a few dollars so that I don't need to see these ads. Then I can just play these games 3 times in a row without any ads at all. And it goes much faster and I can check into many more venues faster and end up earning a lot more points at the end of the day. Another huge opportunity is also to do the easy Silencio quests in the Peak Get Real program, an 11-month program that gives us Peak token rewards for completing easy quests like this. Here's the link towards that program, just enter with your MetaMask wallet for free and perform the quests. If you want a full video on how this works, what you need to know before starting, tips to earn the most, I will leave a link to that video down below as well. But you should definitely not miss this. I made $4,000 from participating in Season 1 and we are currently only in Season 2 right now out of 12 seasons. So there's a lot more earning opportunities from this to come. Here are some additional tips to take your Silencio earnings to the next level. You want to make sure to keep your daily recording streak, because the longer streak you have, the more of a % bonus on your points you get for each recording. You can even get up to a 250% bonus on all the points you earn, which is a major advantage and helps you climb the ranking leaderboard a lot faster. If you miss recording a day, you also have the ability to buy back your streak using your points, so it's not such a big deal. The second tip is if you want to climb the highest leaderboard rank possible and earn the most, and that is to stake all of your monthly SCL tokens for 18 months, every single month, and just keep compounding those rewards month after month. Because after just a few months of doing that, depending on how much you record of course, you will have climbed a significant amount in the rankings. So for those who stay dedicated, they grow a lot faster than what many people think. The third tip is to be on the lookout for new features like this and participate in the Silencio Discord. You want to participate in all new features, be a beta user if possible, since that might give you additional perks for the future, who knows. Alright, if you got help from this video, consider helping me with a like and a comment. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one, bye bye.